Medium dropped a bombshell announcement about AI that is going to change the game. In fact, it doesn't matter which platform you are creating on. It can be Medium, it can be LinkedIn, Substack, anywhere. I think you need to hear this. So earlier we all knew that Medium does not support AI. In this new update, what we are getting to know is Medium is not banning AI completely. But that doesn't mean it's embracing AI. So what is the approach? That is what we are going to find out in this video. While I'm just talking about Medium's AI strategy, I think this is going to be very useful for any kind of creator because it might shape how we think about AI or how we use AI in creative work. Okay, let's start with the problem first. So Medium does have a problem with AI generated content, and we've seen it on Medium. You go on to ChatGPT or any other AI tool, you give it a topic, it writes the entire thing, you copy paste it on Medium and publish it. That's been happening and that's been ruining a lot of our reading experiences on Medium, and a lot of writers were expecting that this is what they would do and Medium would pay them for it. But that is not how it works. This is called bad, lazy writing. But in this day and age where AI is so prevalent, if we completely ban AI or if we do not try to understand how to work with AI, I think we are being impractical and unrealistic. And that is something Medium realized, and that is why they are changing their policies. Let's understand the first thing. Medium still stands for human first content. What does that mean? Medium wants human insights, human emotions, experiences that can come from human living. The content pieces that have these elements, that is more valuable to Medium. And here Medium has mentioned this very important thing. They have distinguished AI generated content and AI assisted content. So they are all in for AI assisted content where the idea is coming from you, the content is also coming from you, but you are taking the help of AI to correct the grammar, to make it more structured, or maybe for translation, things like that. If you are completely dependent on AI and you are letting it do everything, ideation, writing and everything else, then that is called AI generated content and Medium will not support that. The next thing is Medium limits how AI generated content gets distributed. So if you are someone who is dependent on AI completely to write their Medium stories and you are publishing that, then those kind of stories will only be shown to the people who have chosen to follow you themselves. So it will not be shown to any other person. So basically your distribution will be really low for those kind of stories. Also, AI generated content is completely banned from the Medium partner program. So I see a lot of people who say that their account got restricted or they are not getting any visibility, any eyeballs on their content. So a lot of times that will happen if you are writing AI generated content. Now, if you did not know, even Medium uses AI. First of all, it uses AI to recommend stories to us. So based on our consumption, the AI identifies and gives us the suggestions of stories that we might enjoy reading. They are also testing AI generated SEO tags for the Medium stories. Also, there is a lot of internal use of AI where they are using AI to increase productivity. They are using AI, their engineers are using AI, and they are also using it for content research purposes. So here's what basically you can take away from this video is that you can use AI for fact checking to make sure your spelling is correct, your grammar is correct, to improve the structure of your Medium story, to improve the formatting and things like these. These are absolutely fine. But you cannot use AI to generate the ideas for you. You cannot use AI to completely write the Medium stories for you. And you cannot use AI written content that doesn't have any unique perspective or point of view. So if you are someone who is confused right now that what you should do, just ask yourself this question. Is AI helping you tell your human story better, or is it completely replacing the human perspective? And if this video was useful, do share it with more people who are considering writing on Medium or who are already doing it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.